In this lesson we have an image view, and what we want to do is download an image and set the image to the image view. So given that we are using Google Volley has an object called image loader, which, as the name says, is just an object that is going to load the image for us. So in our connection manager, at the moment we are using it as a singleton pattern, and we have an instance of a request queue, so we are going to create an instance of an image loader. This image loader is going to be called from every part of the application. Just you can call it by connection manager dot get image loader. So we can download the image from any part. Now this image loader is going to download an image, and the way that this works is through a network image view. So we have to change our image view for a network image view. So this network image view is in com.android.volley.toolbox.network image view. So we just need to change our image view to be of this type. Now this network image view allows us to use the image loader. So we are going to set an ID to this image view. I'm going to call it row network image view. So then I can, in the adapter, I can retrieve this component and set the image. Okay, now we are going to create the singleton here. We are going to create a method called get image loader. So I'm just going to copy that and do the same. So this is going to return an image loader. This is going to be called get image loader. If the instance of the image loader is null, it's not created yet, we are going to create it. Okay, this is expecting two params. One is the request queue. This means that this image loader is going to use the Volley request queue. So HTTP request and image request are going to share the same queue. And I'm going to call this get instance. And now I need an image cache. This image cache is the cache system that we want to use in our application. So for example, if I download the image once, I could store this image in memory, or I could store this image on disk. That means that if we are moving through our application and we have to show an image that we have shown before, we already have downloaded, so we have it stored in the cache. So what I'm going to do here is create an image cache, and I'm going to customize this myself. So this is going to have a LRU cache, which is basically a map with URL and a bitmap. So this way we have a collection with key values. For every URL we have that bitmap stored. The key point here is that this is a cache system, so depending if you need the cache on memory or on disk, you will use one or another. I don't want to go very deep into how the cache works. Okay, so basically when you get a bitmap for an URL, you just return the bitmap for that URL in the map. And when you put a bitmap, you just do put the key and the value. Okay, so this is basically what is this is just a list of objects, a collection, key value, size 10. So for every URL, I will store a bitmap. Okay. So now I have the connection manager. I have one method which is get request queue, get instance, that will give me the request queue, and I have another method which is get image loader. So what we have to do now is use this image loader to set the image. So if we go to our adapter, we have a view holder here with the text view. So we are going to do the same and declare here our network image view. Okay, I'm going to call it post image, and this post image is an image view which is coming in our row network image view. Okay, it's a network image view. So remember, this is the view holder. This is the item that we use to represent every row. So now we are saying that our view holder has two elements, a text view and an image view. So in your adapter, on the method on view holder, which is when we fill that view with the data of the element, is when we have to set the image view for that item. So I'm going to tidy up this a bit, and I am going to say post current post. This is the post that I am going to show in this position. Is going to be the post in the position I from the list. So when we want to show the title of that post, we do current post with title. And when we want to show the image, we do current post get image link. So now in the view holder, we have the image, network image view, and we want to load the image here. So we just do set image URL. We need a URL which is coming in current post get thumbnail URL, and we need an image loader. And we know the image loader is going to be retrieved with connection manager get image loader. And we need a context. We don't have the context on the adapter, so one thing that we need to do is create the variable context in our adapter. So for that, I'm going to create a variable adapter here, a variable context, which is going to come when I create the adapter. Okay, so now because we have changed this constructor here, we have to go to where we create this, and we need to send the adapter, send the context, get. We can just do main activity dot this. We will send the context of the activity. Okay, so that's all. Now we are ready to try it. So now I launch the application. I can see now that the default image view is appearing, but this on the background is retrieving the image, is using the image loader, and it's going to load the image. So finally, we have the image here.